guys and welcome back to my channel. So just yesterday I got these new set of earrings and this chain. I got this from a shop called DIY. The jewelry there is so inexpensive. I will leave a link in the description of the shop. I don't know if they sell it online, but in case you all have some time on your hand and you all want to go check it out, and it's nearby to your place. The jewelry there, the necklaces, earrings, they have a lot of stuff. It's not only jewelry, they have like many things. I'm talking only about the jewelry part. It was like a small section, but the things over there were super duper cheap. I got this necklace and these earrings for like 50 rupees, 55 rupees, and the quality is pretty good. I'll leave a few pictures of this on my Instagram if you all want to go check it out. So I thought today I will do a makeup look which is going to be complementary to the necklace and these earrings because I absolutely love them. From today morning I'm just wearing these earrings. I have nothing to do, no meetings, nowhere to go, but I am wearing these earrings since morning because it is just that pretty. And yeah, let's get started with the makeup look. So to begin, I'm gonna use a facial oil because that is just what I have been using these days as a moisturizer. But yeah, so I'm just going to apply the facial oil first. Now I am going to actually first quickly do my base. So for the base, obviously first I will conceal my under eyes and then foundation. So first, abhi I have added the orange concealer, orange color corrector. When I was in school, all these kind of necklaces, they were so trendy and so popular. I don't know if that was the time or like still girls in school, you know, like such necklaces and earrings. I don't know. I am going to now add some concealer. So this is my Fit Me Concealer 25 medium and I'll just add some concealer. And again with a brush, I'll just pat it all out. The good thing about this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer is that you get some time to work around. So many times the concealers, when you add them, they will immediately just dry up on your skin. But this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, it doesn't dry up that quickly. So you have some time to, you know, kind of blend it out. Now for my today's look, I am using this foundation, which is a Super Stay Foundation Full Coverage Foundation. The reason I'm using this is just because I want like full coverage today because I'm going to do something a bit more artsy. If you have seen the thumbnail, you all kind of know what to expect. So that is what I'm going to do today. So for that I need some full coverage foundation and I'm just going to add some on my face. If you are wanting to have a look which is very natural, don't use a full coverage foundation. So now that my foundation and my concealing is done, I'm going to quickly go and add some powder. Right, just to set the concealer. Now today I'm going to do some contouring because I think this look really needs it. So I have my contouring palette right here and I'm using this darker shade. If you're just starting out with contouring and all, I would suggest that you start with like a lighter contour shade. Don't go in for the darker brown. I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit. Now let's get to the more interesting part of the makeup. On my cheeks, I'm thinking of making two small flowers. So if I had watercolors or like facial colors or you know the face painting colors, I could have used them, but I don't have that unfortunately. So what we are going to do is we are going to use some foundation and some eyeshadow. So I'm taking this lip liner sort of a brush and I'm taking some foundation on it. Can you all see? I'm taking some foundation on it. Over here, I'm planning to draw the flower, like on my cheeks, so this part. So with the foundation, I have done a light dot over here. I'm gonna do the same thing over here as well. Just try to see the dot is on the same area. And then I have this eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna take this yellow Okay. And we're going to add the yellow on the foundation where we have done a circle. We'll add that yellow over there.
I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart. Don't know what's wrong, something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart.
Okay, so I've made two circles and I added some yellow eyeshadow over there. Now it's the more, I think, difficult part. We have to make flowers, like we have to make the petal part.
What's wrong?
We'll again do the same thing, just take some foundation. Because I do not have the face paints or the face colors, we have to do it this way.
Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight.
Okay, I have no clue how it's gonna look, so let's just try. I have some orange right here, so I'm gonna use this color. So that's how it's looking. Let me just quickly complete it. So obviously very clearly this one's smaller, this one's bigger, and it's thoda sa upar niche, but you know what, it's fine. It's the first time and it happens. It's okay. I'm happy with whatever it's come out. And yeah, it does really look like this flower. Just maybe the orange looks a little darker, but the lighter orange, I was not sure if it would actually show up on my skin. So which is why I use the dark orange. So that's about that. Now for the eyes, I'm going to be using something different, which a few of y'all have been asking me. I'm going to be using some liquid eyeshadow, and that is what it looks like. It comes, it looks like a lip gloss, or like it looks like a lipstick, lip gloss, lipstick, whatever. I'm not using any concealer, but you can 100% go ahead and use concealer. So I'm just going to take some product that's there on my brush, not a lot. And let's just add that. Now you have two options. One is use your fingers or use a brush. I am using a brush, and you just want to kind of spread it out. Now so I am done with the liquid eyeshadow. Now the thing is, you don't have to, but I personally like to use a different color or different eyeshadow to kind of just blend everything out. You can do that with your fingers and just, you know, use the liquid eyeshadow and just blend it out. I personally, if I am using liquid eyeshadow which is shimmer, I like to go in with the eyeshadow that is matte as well. So you can always use a matte liquid eyeshadow, but I don't have any, so I am going to use a powdered eyeshadow. Nothing too complicated. I'm just taking some of this orange color and I'll just add some over here to sort of like just blend everything out. So I'm just adding some color here. Then let me take some of this golden shimmery color. I know I always say to use a finger to apply shimmers, but today we're going to be adding some shimmer over here, which is why we will be needing the brush. So just on the lower lid, on the corner, we'll be adding some golden. So I added the shimmer here, I added some golden and some orange shimmer here, and let me do the same thing on this side as well. Oh, I have done it, some golden over here, some orange over here, and yeah, that's what I have done. Now I am actually gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do my eyebrows and add some lashes, and I will be right back. So I have added some lashes, and as you can see, there's a huge difference. Like, lashes really change the game, you guys. They really change the game. Now the last thing that's remaining, as you all must have already guessed, is the lipstick. So I have this bullet lipstick from MAC, which is Painted Sunset AC01, and that's what it looks like. It's a very beautiful brown which has a very strong orange influence in that. So I'm gonna use this lipstick. And with that, we come to the end of this video, and yeah, that's what the makeup looks like. Obviously, I'm not gonna go anywhere in this makeup, but I thought this was like a nice different look which I wanted to try. And also, I have really been fascinated with the whole idea of like face painting and flowers on your face and all that stuff. So yeah, which is why I came up with this look. Also, a disclaimer, all the makeup looks which I try on camera or I put out on YouTube, none of them are previously tried by me. So these are all like new, fresh, on the spot looks which I'm creating. Obviously, I do have a rough idea in my mind of what I want to do, but I don't try these looks out because honestly, it takes like an hour to do the makeup look and then take it off. It's quite exhausting, honestly. But they're all like first time tries. So and I'm sharing those with you all. So if you all like them, please let me know in the comments below, so I know what I'm doing is liked by other people. It's just a nice feeling. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will obviously again be back tomorrow with another video. So if you have any recommendations, let me know. I am waiting to film a video about shaving my face because I just recently have shaved my face, and I am going to be shaving my face soon, probably in the next week or so. So just wait, I will upload that video soon. But other than that, if you have any other recommendations, let me know down below. And that is it for the video. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, take care.